Hey loves, today I'm talking all about how I use henna treatments for hair growth, thickness, and length retention. So if you're interested in seeing how I use henna on my combination type 4 low porosity hair, keep watching. Before we dive in, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. It gives me a sense of what videos to create, and it really helps me with the algorithm. Okay, let's dive in. I'm starting with 2 green tea bags steeped in 2 cups of water. Green tea stimulates your hair follicles and helps protect your hair cells. The star of the show is this Napur henna. I'm adding 1 cup of Napur 9 herbs henna powder into my bowl. I'll pour the green tea into the bowl bit by bit and mix. I like a creamy consistency for my treatment because it helps with controlling the mess. I like this particular brand of henna powder because it's packed with other Ayurvedic herbs that are known to promote growth, like Amla, Brahmi, Brimraj, hibiscus, and the list goes on. If you don't know about henna treatments, I need you to stop and head over to Curly Proverbs channel right now. Let me tell you, the Mop Top Maven and Curly Proverbs put me onto henna treatments and henna glosses, and I haven't turned back since. So yeah, henna helps strengthen and thicken your hair. It's kind of like a natural protein treatment. Also, it'll give your hair a little bit of a red tint. Next, I'll add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil to make the application easier and to hydrate my hair. Up next is honey. I'll add a tablespoon of honey, which helps with promoting shine and softens my hair. I'll keep mixing my henna treatment until it's completely smooth and there's no pockets of powder. Now it's creamy and just how I like it. Then I'll let it sit in a dark place for 24 hours. Now it's time for applying my henna treatment to my hair. I applied to shampooed hair. I did use a moisturizing, clarifying shampoo so my hair could absorb the treatment better. Don't forget to put on gloves or the henna will stain your hands and nails. Trust me, it's not cute. I apply the henna section by section from root to tip. I like to use a smoothing motion to help with penetration. Oops, I spilled some. Don't say I didn't tell you, henna is hella messy. So I apply henna from the back to the front of my head. Take the time to detangle and smooth. You want to make sure that the henna penetrates into your hair. Applying this to the back of my hair takes about 14 minutes. Here's more of a close-up. Detangle, apply from top to tip. Smooth, separate, smooth. We really want this henna treatment to penetrate your hair strands. Also, take your time and be gentle. You don't want to damage your hair in the process of using this henna treatment. Once I'm done with my whole head, I apply the excess to my hair using the smoothing motion. I also pull any shed hairs that might still be in my hair. Then I wrap my hair in cling wrap and put a processing cap over it just for extra protection. LOL, this isn't my normal cling wrap, so the struggle is real out in these streets. I'll leave this henna treatment in for a whopping 6 hours. Yes, ladies, I know that's a long time, but I do several different things in between, like I run my errands, I do my workout. I just like my henna to really penetrate. So this is what my hair looks like when I take it out. So remember how at the beginning of the video I said I had combination type 4 hair? Yeah, I also have a little bit of heat damage from my leave out when wearing weaves. So I want you to keep in mind that when you use a henna treatment, it does loosen your curl pattern. So you definitely want to keep that in mind. Also, if you want me to give you a tutorial on how to combat the loosening effect of henna, go ahead and let me know down below. Now, I rinse my hair out with warm water. You want to rinse your hair out thoroughly. This is what my hair looks like when I rinse out all the henna. My hair feels super strong and I know it's elastic and healthy because look at my shrinkage. Finally, I section my hair into several sections and I go in with a hydrating deep conditioner. I'm using my Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Hydrating Mask. Thank you so much for watching. Please drop a red heart down below if you've tried henna before. If you want to try henna but you haven't tried it before, go ahead and drop a green heart down below. That's all I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.